All right, today we're going to bring a floodlight slash security light. Now this one has a sensor. It actually, everything's adjustable. If you guys notice, you can move it left, right, down, up and down. Now this is also adjustable too. If you want to point it out to an entrance or an exit where people are lots of traffic. Now this is going to capture movement from pets and humans, all right? Or any birds or animals that are going to be passing by. This is powered by electricity. This is powered with 3 cables. It has neutral, live, and ground. This is outdoor graded, but we are going to use it inside because when we come in at night in our place here, it's very dark and we want it to turn on, to give us some option to turn on, and we're going to set it up and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. So when you have this floodlight or security light, if somebody comes in your shop, go ahead, come on here, and you're going to see some movement here. We set up to actually turn on when they're close by the actual system. And there you go. The actual light turned on.
You find the perpetrator.
And here we are in a dark place, working very good.